Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake decorating stand. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a sturdy base, a rotating mechanism like a lazy Susan bearing, and a flat top plate. Make sure all components are food safe and easy to clean for hygiene. A good quality lazy Susan bearing, perhaps 6 inches in diameter, will ensure your stand spins smoothly, which is crucial for even decorating. Now, let's put it all together. Begin by securely attaching your rotating mechanism to the center of your chosen base. You can use strong wood glue, epoxy, or screws, depending on your materials. Next, carefully center the top plate onto the rotating mechanism. Again, use a reliable adhesive or screws to ensure a stable and level surface for your cakes. This step is vital for preventing wobbles. With the main assembly done, it's time for finishing touches. First, thoroughly test your stand's stability and rotation. It should spin freely without wobbling. Smooth any rough edges with sandpaper for a professional look and feel. You might also want to paint or seal your stand to match your kitchen decor or protect it from spills, ensuring it lasts for many decorating projects. Finally, let's talk customization and a quick tip. Feel free to personalize your stand with paint, stencils, or even decorative trim to make it uniquely yours. Adding small rubber feet to the base can also prevent it from sliding on your countertop, offering extra stability during intricate decorating. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space spotless. It's a fantastic way to simplify your cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.